welcome to our site. We are a 15-year-old local office equipment company specializing in copier, fax, printer, scanner, and multifunctional machines. When equipment maintenance is needed, or your service calls expensive or unreliable, you can count on us for personalized, fast, and inexpensive service, and save time with our low-cost maintenance agreements. As an authorized dealer for many major brands, we service all machines with guaranteed customer satisfaction. Out of toner? No problem. We rush deliver and are never out of stock. Order by 5:30 p.m. and receive your order the very next day. We wholesale and carry all toner brands. Guaranteed lower prices than major retailers. Save up to 80% on compatible toners. Free supplies management. Are you in the market for new equipment? Ask us about our all-inclusive equipment rental program. We also sell new and refurbished machines. Low prices are guaranteed as we represent manufacturers directly with no sales layers. Please give us a chance to earn your business by contacting us today. Thank you and have a great day.